Honorable Mayor Rocky Dating Ginoong Ilagan, our mayor is the chairman of Colegio de Puerto Galera, approved in March 2, 2020 with the help of Honorable Vice Mayor Marlon Lopez. Colegio de Puerto Galera was officially launched and was vested as a member of the Association of Local Universities and Colleges through our Executive Director, Dr. Raimundo P. Arcega. The other people of creating and build Colegio de Puerto Galera are the following: Dr. Rene M. Colocar, President of Association of Local Colleges and Universities of the Philippines, or the ALCO. Ms. Angeline I. Bongkin, Private Business Sector Representative. Ms. Carmela L. Dating Ginoo as the Secretary to the Board of Colegio de Puerto Galera. Honorable Councilor Divina Garcia Delgado Pangyo, the Committee Chair in Education. The program head is Sir Graciano Gonzalez of Colegio de Puerto Galera. Sir Lemuel D. Perez, Licensed Professional Teacher, Representative, Faculty and Staff of Colegio de Puerto Galera. College Administrator and Vice Chairman of the Board, Dr. Garly F. Eloria. Anilao John Carol is the representative of student government in Colegio de Puerto Galera. That's all. Thank you and God bless.